Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to remove a decimal part from a number using JavaScript. As you can see, I got a basic interface here. In this input field, we'll enter a number. So let's make it 1.39. Now the goal here is to get rid of this 0.39 and get only 1. Now when I will click on this button, remove, I'll get 1 here. In a similar way, let's enter a bigger number like this. Now the expectation here is to get only this number and get rid of this part. Click remove and you can see we are getting this number here. So this is what we'll try to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's add a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element and input element. Type will be text. Placeholder will be enter number. We also need a button element here. Text will be remove. And we need one h1 element. Initially it will be empty. At the bottom, add a script tag. Source will be script.js. Now save it. Create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark cyan. Select div element here. Margin top will be 50 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. Select the input element. Width will be 250 pixels. Font size will be 20 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Outline will be none. Select the button element. Background color will be dark slate blue. Color will be white. Font weight will be bold. Border will be none. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Select h1 element. Text line will be center. Color will be white. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now it's time to work on the script file. So let's go to code editor. Create script.js here. Select all the elements one by one. So let's go with the input element first. We'll use query selector here and pass the input tag like this. Now copy and paste it multiple times. It will be button and it will be h1 element. Also change it here, make it btn. This will be heading element. Add a click event listener to the button. This will be the handler function. The first step here is to get the value of the input element. So let's create a variable here, value. We'll utilize the value property of the input element to get the value. Since it's a string, we have to pass it. So let's create a variable here, num, and use the function and pass the value. Now to remove the decimal part, we have to utilize the math object here. So create a variable result. Use math object here, and there's a function trunc. We need to pass this number like this to get rid of the decimal part. Now to display it, we have to use text content property of the heading element and set it to result. So that's all what you need to display the result on the screen. Now save it, go to browser, enter decimal number here. So let's make it 2.99. Click on remove. We are getting 2 here. Now enter here random number. Let's go with this. Click on remove. You can see you're getting a number without the decimal part. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.